This problem is very similar to the second part of number 8. So they give us the linear speed and then they ask us to find the rotations. So they have the cable travels at a speed of 9.55 miles per hour. I know that that's my linear speed because it's in miles per hour. And then is rotated, caused by the rotating wheel, whose diameter is 8.5 feet. So that's information we need. And then how fast is the wheel rotating? Express your answers in revolutions per minute. So you want to make sure that you are taking care of the units when you set this problem up. Okay, so they give us the linear speed. So I'm going to write down my linear speed, 9.55. With the units, this is in miles. I'm going to put that over 1 hour, miles per hour, but I'm going to write it as 60 minutes because we want our final answer in minutes. So I'm going to do 60 minutes equals, and then my formula for linear speed is I need my number of revolutions times my circumference. So the number of revolutions is what we're looking for. So this is x times our circumference. So they give us the diameter, so I'm going to use pi d, 8.5 pi. And then we want these revolutions in minutes, so I'm going to go over 1 minute. Okay, 8.5 is in feet. 9.55 is in miles, so we need to change the unit on the top. You could take feet to miles or miles to feet. I'm going to go from miles to feet. And then our minutes are on the bottom. They're both minutes, so the time is okay. So take your 9.55. It's in miles, so we want to multiply that by the number of feet in a mile, 5,280, and you should get 50,424. So you're just going to replace this 9.55 miles with the number of feet in a mile. So this is feet over 60 minutes equals, so this is going to be 8.5 pi x feet over 1 minute. Okay, so I like to write my units in there. You don't have to if you can keep track of it without writing it down, just to make sure, because it's a proportion. You have to have the same unit on top and the same unit on bottom. So we have feet on top, minutes on bottom, so we're good to go, and just go ahead and cross multiply to solve this. So 5,0,424 equals, leave pi in this until the very final calculation. So you're going to do 60 times 8.5, and you should get 510 pi x. And then you're going to divide both sides by the 510 pi. These will cancel. And when you punch this in your calculator, whoops, sorry about that, put 510 pi in parentheses, and you will get x equals 31.47, and then that'll be in revolutions per minute.